What's up, guys? We added the kill switch for this vehicle as well. These are our kill switches that we have. This is a push to start, like all these modern cars. So basically what you're gonna do is when you get inside the car, you have to press this fob here. You gotta press number 1. And now you're able to get in and start the car. Okay. This is on a C8 Corvette, brand new. It still has everything brand new. I only had it for like 2 or 3 days, but the guy is smart enough. He gave us a call. He wanted to put the kill switch, and we also installed the GPS and whatnot. But the way the kill switch works is when you turn off the car, okay, it'll automatically engage itself in 30 seconds. So basically what you do is you get out of the car, same way you've been doing. You're gonna hit lock in the factory remote and go about your business. The sensor will automatically turn itself on in 30 seconds after you close the door and walk away. You don't have to do anything. For those who are out of state, give us a call. We do ship it to you. This is pretty much plug and play. We give you the installation video exactly performing the C8 Corvette. Shouldn't take you no more than 20 minutes to pop it in. It's a plug and play. I guarantee you everybody's capable of doing it. Numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814 for the kill switch. If you are up in Miami area, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, and then you can call us. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. Okay, so basically now I'm gonna get in without pressing this button. Okay, this is what a thief would do. Say he cloned the remote and he had, he snatched your signal from the air. Okay, definitely not gonna snatch the signal from here because this thing doesn't transmit 24/7 like the factory remote. Now watch, I'm gonna try to start it and it won't start. See, it won't do anything. Okay, turn off the car, and then if we'll do the process again now. Okay, let me turn it off here. I'm gonna press number 1, and now the car will start. See? That's pretty much it. Again, you turn off the car. You don't have to do anything. The system will automatically engage you in 30 seconds. The only thing you really have to do is just press button number 1. I know it's a little inconvenience. Basically, you can even do it as you approaching the car by just pressing button number 1 and then start the car. I know it's a little step, but I'd rather have a little step than have the car get stolen and you have no step because the car is not even sitting in your parking lot anymore. So, yeah, anybody out of state, again, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, 305-298-4814, and we ship it to you, and you can be able to do the install yourself. And it does come with, for those who write me emails all the time, it does come with 2 fobs. Okay, basically, again, if you're wondering what the second button's for, if you ever gonna take it in to get it washed or whatever, you want to put the unit in valet with the car running, you can press 1, 2, and that puts it in the valet mode. So that means you can start the car 10 times without having to press button number 1 until it comes, and then it will automatically come out of valet mode by itself. That way, if you ever forget to take it out of valet, it's going to do it for you after the 10th time that the car starts and turns off. And then if you want to speed up the process, if you get it back right away, you can just press, while the car's running, you can go 2-1, which is the opposite from 1-2, 2-1, and that takes it out of valet mode right away. So 1-2 puts it on valet mode, 2-1 takes it out of valet mode. So it's 12 valet, 21 out of valet. Okay? Thank you for watching this video.